Hello everyone, my name is Cviatko and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to perform a transcoding of media file into HLS format with FFmpeg and MainConcept plugins for FFmpeg. Here I have VirtualBox with installed 64-bit Ubuntu version 18.4 and pre-installed both modified version FFmpeg and MainConcept plugins for FFmpeg. In this folder I have placed my source media file, which is MPEG transport stream with HD video. The transcoding can be executed using the following command. First, we pass the FFmpeg executable with its full path. Next, we pass the input media file and the video filter, which instructs the AVC encoder to rescale the output video into 640 by 480. The next parameter specifies the video bitrate. Next parameter specifies which video codec to be used for this transcoding. The next parameter is named OMX core and instructs which core to be used for this transcoding. The following parameter is named OMX name and specifies the name of the video encoder. The next parameter is named OMX param and can be used to pass one or multiple parameters to the OMX AVC encoder. Here I pass the preset, which is set to H26 for HLS layer 1, and the acceleration type, which is set to software encoding. The final parameter is the output media file. So let's execute this. Here we can see all the statistics output by the MainConcept AVC encoder and the FFmpeg. And that would be all. The media file has been transcoded successfully into HLS format with the MainConcept H264 plugin for FFmpeg. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Have a good day.